Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup inventory dashboards from Google Looker Studio, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup your inventory dashboards from Google Looker Studio, start by opening Google Looker Studio in your web browser. Log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Locate the dashboard you want to backup in your list of reports. Click on the dashboard to open it. Once the dashboard is open, navigate to the top right corner of the page. Click on the three-dot menu icon. From the drop-down menu, select Download. You will see multiple download options. Choose the one that suits your needs, typically PDF for a standard format. A dialog box will appear prompting you to adjust settings for your download. Select the desired range of pages if applicable. Decide on the layout and orientation for your PDF. Once everything looks good, click on the Download button. The dashboard will now be processed for download. Wait for the download to complete. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's designated download folder. Open the file to ensure that the dashboard has been backed up correctly. For additional backup, consider exporting the data used in the dashboard. Go back to the Looker Studio homepage. Select the data source linked to your dashboard. Click on the three-dot menu for the data source. Select the option to download or export the data. Choose your preferred format, such as CSV or Excel. Confirm your selection and wait for the data export to finish. Locate the exported data file in your download folder. Check to ensure that the data has been correctly exported. By following these steps, you will have successfully backed up your inventory dashboards from Google Looker Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.